guys, welcome back to our channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Swift Desire test drive. So now I'm in the first gear. Let's launch the vehicle. So wheel spin, lot of wheel spin on Suzuki vehicles, as we know, as front wheel drive this is a vehicle. So horn is massive. So clutch is very smooth side, and this is very smooth engine as we know as Desire, and this is a 1197cc engine as we know as 1.2 liter of petrol. So there is no diesel variants on this Suzuki or as new generation vehicles. So diesel variants has been stopped of manufacturing of Suzuki done. And RPM meter is soon revving, gear shifting is too fast, and gearbox is some harder size compared to other Suzuki vehicles. So it's very hard to push the vehicle, so because of petrol variant torque is not much, but if you choose a petrol variant, so you get smooth but you get very less torque, so no enjoyment of riding the vehicles. So this is 1197cc engine at 88 bhp of power at 6000 rpm and 103 newton meters of torque at 4400 rpm. So 103 newton meters of torque at 4400 rpm, very less compared to other vehicles of 1200cc engine. So steering is also some slightly harder side. So first gear at 2500 rpm. So it's a family vehicle, not too sporty feeling of vehicle, but very smooth. But compared to older generation Swift Desire, this is not much like not enjoying the ride on this vehicle. So soon revving of RPM meter is one disappointing me, and gearbox is also too fast shifting, and this is a manual transmission of 5 speed. So you get in 4-speed automatic transmission in 1197cc engine as same engine displacement in petrol variant. So brakes are slightly better, but slightly not better to compare to older generation. So in older generation brakes are too good, so front as a disc brake and rear as both drum brakes. It's struggling the RPM meter in, it's take lot of time to launch the vehicle. So 0 to 100 kilometers I don't know, around 15 seconds of this vehicle. So that's why this is the capacity of this vehicle. So brakes are also not much better compared to older generation. Older generation Suzuki's Desire, I like that. So it's a bold design, bold engine. So this is very refined, but smoothness is very much, smoothness is lot, but compared to older generation not much enjoying the ride. As if I said, steering is also harder side, feedback is very low, and this vehicle will be excellent in mid range of speed and top speed. So at lower speeds it's some difficult and struggling the engine to pick up the vehicle at 103 newton meters of torque. So coming to other side, it's as a 38 liters of fuel capacity, very nice treatment, I mean nice feature that, and the mileage of the vehicle will be obviously good on this vehicle, that is around 20 kilometers per liter in city rides and 22 kilometers per liter in highways. And so see the jerks which has been giving from the vehicle. So lot of complaints on this vehicle, so I'm not satisfied of this test drive. So I don't know why this is a, gears are too fast, and the third gear and fourth gear is better than compared to first and second gear. So fast gear shifting is much difficult in city rides. So it's a small sedan vehicle, I mean hatchback vehicle, sedan hatchback vehicle, family vehicle, practicality is more on this vehicle. But coming to other side, also the 50-50 of test drive, 50% of marks to the design and practicality I can give, but 50% of test drive I can't give that much because of not satisfied. And displacement of CC engine as same 1200cc 1.2 liter SAG engine, but I don't know, not getting the top, I mean excitement of compared to diesel vehicle. This is petrol vehicle, but older generation of petrol vehicle is also very nice in Swift Desire, but this is not at all good. And in diesel, it should have been diesel only, then only the performance will be nice and torque will also be get some more efficiency. And nothing much to say. View is very nice on this vehicle, and instrument cluster is sporty feeling of nice look to instrument cluster, and front as a dashboard is very nice view. Brakes are lacking, and the performance of brakes are, when you're giving harder on brakes, it's giving good performance compared to slide braking. So clutch is playing a major role on this car. So because of the clutch only, the transmission of torque is getting some decrease, and I mean torque is obviously it is lesser. Side view mirrors is massive. Suspension is good on other side. Shock absorbers are good performing, and it's a hatchback 14 inches tires we get, and very refined engine compared to BS4 to BS6 engine. This is BS6 2021, and but lot of disappointing me is that giving Xerox on this engine, on this vehicle exactly. So not at all happy with this vehicle. So compared to older generation, this is should be much better. So Suzuki, as we know, as Suzuki has banned all the diesel engines because of eco-friendly environment pollution. So petrol gives some less pollution compared with diesel vehicles and more efficiency. And but one plus point is resale value of the vehicle. We can talk that Suzuki Dzire has a best resale value in the market all over India because of practicality and looks. And this is new variant of steering is some slighter harder side, but Honda, compared to Honda steerings, this is nothing much. So the comparison ratio of the vehicle is 8:5, and the turning radius of the vehicle is 4.2 meters. Very short vehicle, very short turning radius. 4.2 is I mean very easy to turn and maneuver it in the city rides, but that enthusiasm is not getting on this vehicle. And so once again I will do test drive on this vehicle on other vlog, that I will cruise the vehicle on highway and see the top speed of the vehicle, and I will see the performance, so that I can know the exactly this petrol variant of new BS6. So in city rides this is disappointing me, and I will check in the highway and see the test drive of Suzuki Dzire. And I heard that rumor, one of the rumor of this Suzuki Dzire, I mean Swift vehicles, that the braking performance of top speed is very lacking, and I mean 0% of performance and not at all good. I heard that, and lot of accidents of Suzuki Swift vehicles because of that braking lacking. So I want to test that. I will make one vlog of braking performance. If you recommended, please give comments, and I will do definitely the vlog of braking test on this Suzuki Dzire. Top speed, one of the vlog of Suzuki Dzire. So let's check the two test of how the performance of the vehicle gives and score of the vehicle gives. So but in city rides this is not a vehicle to minimum torque also, it's not getting as set by the Suzuki 103 Newton meters of torque. So when your family is traveling, it much difficult in city rides to do, I mean performance of the vehicle. So and also on other side, the power of the steering is also very less, so compared to other vehicles. but compared to older generation of Swift Desire and new generation of Swift Desire is, I say pick up the old generation. That is much better than this. So turning radius you can see 4.2 meters, and listen the engine sound coming to the cabin. And so cabin installation is also disappointing me. So a lot of sounds coming into the cabin of engine sounds. So brakes are lacking, and when you're harder on brakes it good performance giving. So slightly braking is lagging. I think this Desire is better in automatic for 4-speed manual transmission. That will be much better than this manual transmission. Four thousand RPM touches at the second gear, and the speed of the vehicle is 50. So see the performance of the vehicle, how it is at 50 speed, 4500 RPM, and not satisfied at this vehicle at petrol variant, very refined. But so overall this is a test drive vehicle and test drive video of Suzuki Desire. If you like the video, please give thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Soonly I will be done the brake test of this vehicle and top speed of the vehicle. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.